something to help you feel good and enjoy it for the next 20 years. What you don't want to do is kind of wait, and then you're in your 80s and say, okay, I'm ready now. And which I do have patients that do that, but it's like, oh no, enjoy it. This is what, this is our best time of our lives. Right. Enjoy it. So no, my suggestion is always, hey, if you really want to do something like this, sooner than later, because you can really get away with doing a lot less too.
Right.
And what's neat is that because of kind of the techniques that we're using now, they're not as nearly as invasive as a lot of the old traditional face neck lifts, and we were able to do a lot with less, and which always helps with recovery. And really the key nowadays, and this is really important, is that I can remember just seeing back 30 years ago where you would see some of these actresses in their 40s and 50s and getting into their 60s, they would do their films and they look great, and then all of a sudden they disappear for a little bit, and they'd come back like 5-6 years later, and you could just immediately say, wait a minute, what happened? I mean, they doesn't even look like them anymore. And a lot of that is because the old plastic surgeons would do is, okay, let's just let's get everything real tight. And that's really not the way to go, especially now, because a lot of the aging process isn't, skin just sagging, it's volume, it's muscle tone, it's a lot of stuff that goes together. And I even to this day, I see actresses that are like, oh my God, what happened to them? Why would they let, because a lot of these guys are still just
Meg Ryan.
Meg Ryan. I don't know if you've seen like Courtney Cox, who used to be on Friends.
Oh yes. Did she have?
Oh my gosh, she went from an attractive woman, and she just doesn't even look like herself now.
No, right.
And that's where you got to be so careful. And that's really why, when I kind of thought about something, what can we do that really takes care of it three-dimensional and not just, okay, let's just pull and pull. Because that's easy. You can just pull and pull tighter, but then you lose that you got to have the essence of you, which is important. When you look at it and say, yeah, that's me, I just feel better.
I feel better, I like the way you look.